Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Gmail phone number in mobile. If you use any phone and you want to change your Gmail phone number, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Gmail app and here just tap on your profile in the top right corner. Then tap on manage your Google account and here just select personal info option. Once you have selected, just scroll down and look for phone option, just tap on it. And here just select the phone number which you want to change. For example, I'm going to change the third one, just tap on it. And here you'll get this edit option. Simply tap on this option. And once you have that, you have to verify yourself by entering your screen lock. It might be your fingerprint. You must have to enter that and then you can easily edit your phone number or change your phone number in Gmail account from your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.